If an app is constantly bothering you with alerts, pop-ups, and random sounds, this is the quickest way to silence it on Android. In this video, I'll show you how to disable notifications for any app in just a few taps, so you can stop the noise without deleting the app completely. This is perfect if you only want to turn off a specific app while keeping everything else on your phone working normally. If this tutorial helps, go ahead and hit like and subscribe for more quick Android tips. Let's jump right in. First, go to your home screen or open your app drawer and find the app that keeps sending you notifications. Once you see it, long press the app icon. Don't just tap it once because you want the shortcut menu to appear. After a second or two, a menu should pop up with a few options. From that menu, look for the app info icon. On most Android phones, this looks like a small letter I inside a circle. Tap that icon to open the app's settings page. This is where Android lets you control all the details for that app, including storage, permissions, and notifications. Once you're inside App Info, scroll or look for the notifications option and tap it. This screen controls how the app can alert you. Depending on your phone model and Android version, the layout might look slightly different, but the notification setting will always be there somewhere in this section. Now, look for the switch that says All Notifications or All App Name Notifications. Toggle that switch to Off. As soon as you do this, the app should stop sending notifications entirely. No more banners, no more lock screen alerts, and no more annoying sounds from that app. If you ever change your mind later, you can come back to the same place and turn notifications back on again. That makes this a simple and flexible way to manage your phone without uninstalling anything. So to recap, long press the app, tap App Info, open notifications, and switch all notifications off. That's the fastest way to disable notifications in Android for a single app. If this video was helpful, please like the video and subscribe to the channel for more easy Android tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.